No, this is not a reacting to cringe clips video. I am not role-playing as Drew Sadcock right now because I am not a scalper. Today we're going to be talking about how sad a bunch of Mustang scalpers are that they can't charge an arm and a leg for some plastic tail lights. Now, if you're not in the Mustang scene, let me catch you up to date really quick, okay? If you have a new edge Mustang, there is one pair of tail lights that is better than all others. Better than any aftermarket taillight on the market. It's the best OEM taillight. This is the taillight to have. It is a flex if you have it, or at least it was up until a couple days ago. And that is the amber taillights that came on the Terminator Cobra, or Cobra. I'm not a Terminator guy. I'm not a Cobra guy. I'm sure there's some nerd out there that is telling me it actually only came on this card. Actually is only this card, super rare. Chill, buddy. It was. And that's because my boys over at LMR just released a clone of it, and it looks great. And anybody with amber taillights or someone trying to sell a set is pissed off. So here they are. So this is like what typical new edge Mustang taillights look like. This is what mine looks like on Project WAP. And I always did want the amber taillights. And like, it's not even that they're like so much better. There's just something about them. Like, again, maybe it's just like the aura that they have. But now, thanks to LMR, anybody, like, look at that. Oh, just a little bit of amber that it adds. It looks so much better. I don't know what it is, man. I really don't know how to explain it, but it looks so much better. Oh, it looks so good. So LMR just came out with this 4 days ago. They posted this, and it has caused quite a stir among Mustang owners. And if I had a new edge, I would be ordering these in a heartbeat. Now, I believe they already sold out. Actually, we'll go to their website in a second and double check. And that's because they're only asking 350 bones for these bad boys. Now, if you're a car enthusiast, 350 bucks for a stock looking taillight, that sounds kind of expensive. Let me just educate you on what people were charging for these for OEM ones before LMR came out with them. Here's a set. Here's a set on eBay for about $1,300. $1,300. 99 to 01 Ford Mustang Cobra rear taillights SVT. 1,300 bucks. I don't care who you are, paying $1,300 for some early 2000s taillights is crazy. Absolutely crazy. And I mean, again, they are really clean, but there's just realistically no reason to charge that much. Again, it's just it's a supply and demand type thing. It's just people buying them up and selling them. I've even seen sets over $2,000, and this isn't like a thing that's new to cars. Like, obviously more rare parts are going to be worth more money, but the only thing this hurts is people trying to profit off of like buying these parts. The only thing that having companies recreate parts, really good copies of them too, the only thing that hurts is the people trying to fuck over other people. And it's just funny that they're all whining. Here's a set right here, used. They even have like swirls and shit for $1,400. They're on his car right there, $1,400. You're not getting that no more, buddy. You're not getting that no more. So here we go. Here's the LMR copy, obviously out of stock. Everybody and their mama bought them. So they're no longer super rare. I mean, I don't know how many sets that they had ready to go, but I would assume they had a few thousand. But regardless, I mean, dude, they look really good. Like, they look really good. And obviously, if you really, really want the OEM ones because they're OEM, then there are ways to tell. Like, as you just saw in that up close photo, there's a little LMR badge on it. But to most people, you're not going to notice. I mean, that looks like an amber taillight to me. And is it less cool that they're not OEM? I don't think so. I don't give a shit personally. And I've bought stuff from LMR as well. Like, this is not a sponsored video by any means. I don't even have a new edge. I've bought stuff from them. Stuff that has been like a new high quality reproduction. And it is a new high quality reproduction. So someone might be saying, well, it's going to be some cheap China shit. Not necessarily. I genuinely don't think that's going to be the case. But it is just comedy. If you go to their page and you go to comments and stuff, you can see people coping. Like the copium is running so deep in the Mustang community right here. Here we go. Here's this guy. So glad my ambers are genuine. Keep some parts hard to find. That's the whole point. Why is that the whole point? The only thing that's doing is stroking your ego that you have expensive taillights. Like, you already have an SVT Cobra. Who gives a shit if somebody has some knockoff taillights on their Mustang because they like the style? Like, who cares? It's a taillight. I don't understand the copium that some of these people are doing. LMR even replied, I don't know, man, those look like our taillights. Like, it really does. Mad because LMR has them for $350 and not eBay for $1,500 to $2,500. I don't think anybody can see the difference flying at 70 miles an hour. That is the best way to put it right there. And again, this isn't only a Mustang thing. Toyota apparently just discontinued, like, the Supra, the Mark IV Supra front bumper. You were able to still buy a brand new front bumper from Toyota up until like a couple weeks ago. And now, same thing though. Scalpers everywhere are trying to get an arm and a leg for their dog shit 1994 Toyota Supra bumper that has been in 2 accidents. Like, these people are charging thousands of dollars for that shit. It is actually insane. Y'all missing the point. These cars are just going to be common traffic when everybody has access to the ambers. They're just going to be common traffic. Imagine if they made 03, 04 rear bumpers and folding mirrors. Like, everyone could make a Fobra for cheap, and these cars wouldn't have the same value. They would all look the same. Guys, chillax. Chillax. OEM parts are going to still be worth more than $350. Again, an OEM set, if you're trying to build an actual OEM car with OEM parts, your parts are still valuable. Relax. Ain't nobody in their right mind thinking, you know what, I'm gonna take a new edge. Okay, I'm gonna take a new edge, and I'm gonna get a Cobra set of taillights, a Cobra hood, a Cobra bumper, and then the folding mirrors, and then I'm going to sell it as a Cobra. Ain't nobody thinking like that, buddy. Damn, I realized I really need to style my hair. I just got out of the pool and I was like, I'm about to go out. I'm looking extra chopped right now. Ain't nobody thinking that though. Someone's mad they just bought a set for $1,500. Dude, imagine buying a set the day before these came out, bro. I would be so heated. I'd just return it at that point. I'd be like, keep them. I would just return them. Yes, I will absolutely pay 4x as much for plastic and left the mold between 25 to 27 years ago. You're just stupid. You're genuinely just stupid. You will pay 4 times the price because it came from a factory 25 years ago than paying $350. You might be stupid. If somebody told me, Drew, you could buy Supra S2 headlights. Now, they're not Toyota, but they look identical to Toyota. They're just as good. They will fit perfect. If somebody told me you can buy S2 headlights for my Supra right now for $300, I would. You know how much S2 headlights are for the Supra? About $1,000. About $1,000. And I know you might be thinking, Drew, it's only $1,000. It's a fucking headlight, bro. I know. It's not too much. It's not too much. But $1,000 when I'm already dumping $10, $15, $20,000 into the rest of the car, that's a lot of money. I don't think this is any different than an OEM bumper versus an aftermarket replacement hood, wheels, or anything like that. OEM will always have its value for someone who wants OEM stuff. Bingo. It is still going to hold its value. Like, you're still going to find morons out there that really need to have the OEM parts. It's just your pool now is a lot smaller because, like, there's other options out there, and I think that's what it comes down to. Let's go on LMR's page and let's read some comments really quick on their page. It's just funny. All the hoarders thinking they're sitting on gold about to crash out. Yep. Did the patent run out? Will Ford send out a cease and desist? There was never a patent. That was something people made to cope with the obnoxious price tag. That's straight from LMR. I mean, I think that's pretty valid. Wait, people like ambers? LOL. I remember growing up, people specifically hated them. That's also just how the world works. If something is lame when it's released, it will be cool in 20 to 30 years, genuinely, because it's going to be so rare and you're trying to be different. That's just how it works. Dude, they look good, though. Like, they look really good. Like, if I saw that, especially on a Cobra, that's just a normal ass taillight to me, bro. Genuinely. Soon to be played out, and it being cool to have reds. I mean, again, that's just how it is. I don't think it's going to be played out. I don't know how many of these are going to make. Yeah, obviously throwing amber tails on your V6 Mustang. You're still driving a lame V6 Mustang. But, I mean, dude, if I was building a GT or a Cobra or even a V6 Mustang, or I'm just building some freaking nature Frankenstein car, Yeah, I would want the amber taillights. Like if I had Project WAP, bro, I would have been first in line to get these. God, it makes me want to get a new edge again. Look at that thing. That thing is so fucking pretty. The other night we were at a car meet, we saw a Terminator, a drop top, and it was fucking pretty. This isn't a drop top, but god damn, dude, that rear end. I love the Cobra wing. It's just so nice. It's just so nice. I don't know. I think it's personally cool. I think companies should recreate like things that are harder to find. Like I would love for companies to make like super parts like that. Like please. Like, come on, can someone make a right-hand dash, please? Like, that would be great. I would love for somebody to make a recreation of a right-hand drive dash. That would be amazing. But I want to know what you guys think. Like, is this shitty? Is this junk? Like, do you guys think, you know, even if you're not in the Mustang scene, that this is just pointless? Do you think this video is pointless? I don't know. I think it's smart for companies to do stuff like this. If there's not enough supply, but there's high enough demand, somebody needs to make it. That's smart business, personally. I think that's great. But let me know what you think. I don't see anything wrong with this. I think the OEM guys that are diehard Ford guys are going to keep their OEM shit and keep just, you know, glazing each other over their OEM taillights. But I think for normal car enthusiasts that aren't trying to spend $2,500 on some taillights, yeah, this is a win. This is definitely a win. Anyways, let me know your thoughts. Subscribe. And until next video, peace. Imagine if they were able to make some sort of like amber S197 taillights. Lamar, hit me up.